Hey guys, unbox some PR with me. So the first thing that I got was the Fenty Skin Butter Drop Cream. So good. I'm obsessed with it. I've already used it, but you know. I got this L'Oreal Paris. Sent me the Infallible Second Setting Mist. They sent me some hairspray, which I actually sent me telescopic mascara. The hairspray. Sent me Revitalift, a vitamin C tone pore line serum. I'm very excited to use that. The Revitalift SPF. Excited to try that out as well. Revitalift brightening cleanser and Illumi Glotion Glow Enhancer. Next up, I wanted to try the Vanessa Maritz Yummy Skin in the shade 10. Very excited to try this. Lastly, we have Charlotte Tilbury. I'm so excited for this one. Oh, so they sent me Magic Cream. Very excited to try this out. I've actually never tried out the Magic Cream, so I'm very excited to try it out. They sent me the Super Nude Liner Duo Shadow Palette. Cutesy. Some mascara. A Brow Fix Clear Gel. Light wand, so highlighter I'm guessing. And then Pillow Talk lip kit. Very excited for that. And lastly, they sent an airbrush setting spray, a mini one. So cute. I've got more PR in the back. But yeah, so cute. I'm super grateful for all the brands who send me PR. It's like opening gifts every single day. Let me know if you want to see more.